Well, here we are standing next to our columnar apple tree. And this time of year, you may notice some fruit that's really small that have fallen off the tree. And this is actually normal. What this is called June drop. And it's the small fruit that was incompletely pollinated that was dropping off the tree. So these larger fruits have been fully pollinated, and the ones that did not get pollinated, the tree is shedding those to make room for the pollinated fruit.
And another tip for later in the season is to maybe thin the fruit. See this cluster of apples right here. So down maybe in August or so, you want to take one of those away so that you can get a bigger piece of fruit later in the season.
So this is June drop. You'll find some small little fruit on the ground. Don't worry, it's totally normal.